I hear you. This is standard for you. And I honestly, you won't listen to court orders. You think they don't apply to you. You continue to go back to a residence you've been advised not to go to. You have a $25,000 cash or surety bond with a GPS tether.
Well, first of all, I don't have, it ain't like I have a choice. I have another house to go to for one. Besides, it's violating my rights.
Well, now you do. Now you do, Mr. Morton. You've got another house to go to now. It's
well, guess what?
Jail. This is Mr. Martin. All right, this is 251756, the People versus Eric Martin. Mr. Martin, can you tell me your first and last name?
No, really don't want to give no name, so it's not fraudulent presumed on something else.
All right, well, I recognize you. You're Eric Martin. Sir, you've been brought to court on some charges here. Count 1 and count 2. The warrant alleges on June 12th of 2025 at property located at 9074 Clifford in the city of Taylor, a foreign complaint in this court was filed against you stating that on that date and location, the defendant, that's you, contrary to law, 1, did make an assault or an assault and battery upon the following person, Lisa K. Martin, contrary to MCL 750.81, parent 1. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and up to $500 fine. He's already been arraigned. Yeah, he just. Oh, so you know the original charges against you. And part of those charges against you, let's see. You could not have any contact with the complaining witness, Lisa K. Martin. You could not go to the address at 9074 Clifford. And you could not have any contact through the phone. You couldn't go in person. You couldn't go to the residence, period. And there's an allegation. I've got a report. You were arraigned on these allegations. It looks like on the 14th out county by Judge Burton. And then I have a police report that alleges on June 16th, officers were dispatched to that location. And there are allegations that you entered the residence through the back door and were actually in the home at time of arrest for violating your bond conditions. Those are the allegations against you.
So I move to dismiss the charges because the alleged bond conditions supposedly against me, which is really not against me anyways. Legal fiction, corporate entity, defendant, which does not mean I'm a living man. But anyways, besides that issue, the bond conditions violate my right to be presumed innocent before guilty. Because I am presumed innocent before guilty, any bond conditions violate my right. Because if I'm innocent, then I cannot be told you can't do this, you can't do that.
So, Mr. Martin, are you entering a guilty or not guilty plea on that violation?
First of all, I'm not a defendant, so I'm not here to enter a plea. How can I enter a plea? I'm not the one charged.
Okay, then I'm going to say you're standing mute. It's my understanding you've refused to meet with counsel. You don't want an attorney. So I'm entering a not guilty plea on your behalf.
So, okay, well, so have you made the legal determination that I'm not guilty?
No, sir. I'm doing it based on your arraignment. You understand the allegation against you. Do you? I just told you what it is. The allegation is you violated a condition of your bond on an assault and battery domestic violence case by returning to the address after being ordered you could not return to the address.
So like I said, I moved to like I said, bond conditions violate the right to be presumed innocent anyway, so that's no true bond condition, violation is legit anyways. And there's no probable
Okay.
cause for this case. I should have been arrested illegally anyways, because there is no evidence. My sister lied, her allegations are a total lie.
All right, you have a right to remain silent.
Why are you
Anything you
cutting me
say
off on
orally
that
or
time?
in writing can and will be used against you, sir. You understand what the allegation is? You were just arraigned on it 2 days before picking up this, the original charge 2 days before picking up this violation. Mr.
No, I do
Martin,
not
this is,
understand.
I hear you. This is standard for you. And I honestly, you won't listen to court orders. You think they don't apply to you. You continue to go back to a residence you've been advised not to go to. You have a $25,000 cash or surety bond with a GPS tether.
Well, first of all, I don't have, anyway, I have a choice. I have another house to go to for one. Besides, it's violating my
Well,
rights.
now you do. Now you do, Mr. Morton. You've got another house to go to now. It's
Yeah, well,
Wayne
guess
County
what?
Jail.
You
We'll
guys
see you
are
at your
violating
next
my rights.
court date. All right, thank you, officer. We'll see you next time, Mr. Martin.
Okay, goodbye. Mr. Martin? Okay, goodbye.
There's no evidence to dismiss this case.
Have a seat, Eric. All right, Mr. Reed. Mr. Martin, knock it off.